Teman-teman, ayo kita Raffa dong. Hari ini kita akan keluar angkasa. Kita akan menjelajah alam semesta. Kita belajar planet-planet yuk. Ini dia petanya. Kita akan menjelajah. Sekarang Raffa sedang di dalam pesawat. Ayo meluncur. Badan penuh. Yeay. Wah, cepat sekali. Oke, kita sudah sampai. Wow, keren sekali. Hai Rody.
Hi, Super Raffa. Can I help you?
Tolong Rody, jelaskan ke teman-teman Raffa mau jalan-jalan ke luar angkasa. Dadah.
Okay, Super Raffa. Hello, everyone. My name is Rody. I'm a friend of Super Raffa. I will help you to introduce the solar system. Come on, follow me, guys. The sun is the center of the solar system in this universe. The sun has the largest size compared to the planets that surround it. The term for the sun is also a shooting star because the light that emanates from the sun never goes out. Mercury is the first planet to be close to the sun. It is not easy to observe Mercury because it is always close to the sun. The smallest planet in the solar system is Mercury. Mercury travels around the sun once every 88 days. Mercury is a small, rocky planet. It is only about as wide as the Atlant. Venus is the second planet from the Sun and is always quite close to the Sun in its orbit. The hottest planet in the solar system is Venus. Venus appears as a morning or evening star that shines beautifully in the sky. Venus is the brightest object in the night sky besides the moon. In a telescope, we can see Venus going through the phases like the moon. The Earth is where we live. We can live on Earth because there is oxygen. First, the Earth revolves around the Sun at 30 kilometers per second, which is 45 times faster than the Concorde. It takes 365 days 1 year to complete one orbit of the Sun. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun. Mars is often called the red planet because it appears in the sky as an orange-red star. It orbits the Sun at an average distance of 228 million kilometers, which is half as far from Earth. So if we visit, we will feel very cold. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun. The largest planet in the solar system is Jupiter. Jupiter is so big that it could easily swallow up all the other planets more than 1,300 Earths form, despite its enormous size. Jupiter is the fastest rotating planet, rotating once in less than 10 hours. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun. Second only to Jupiter, Saturn is made primarily of the light gases hydrogen and helium. 764 Earths would fit inside Saturn, but the gas giant weighs only 95 times that of our rocky world. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus is located more than 2,800 million kilometers from the Sun. At this distance, the cloud top temperature is 214 C. Uranus moves quite slowly and takes a long journey, so each orbit lasts 84 years. Neptune turns out to be an almost identical twin of Uranus. Its average distance from the Sun is about 4,500 million kilometers, and a year on Neptune lasts nearly 165 Earth years. Neptune also has 13 moons, as is known. In the space there are also rock, comets, and asteroids. And there are many other wonders in the universe that are not widely known by humans. Whoa, Super Raffa gives us a lot of knowledge about the universe. Thank you for watching us. See you next time, and don't miss the next Super Raffa video, friends. Rody and Super Raffa say goodbye to you. Have a great day.